Hey, what's going on YouTube? Welcome back to my channel. And in this video, I'll be going over the Infinity processing system. All right. And I'm going to show you how you could easily make over $300 a day using this simple system. Okay. So you're going to learn our $300 a day blueprint by posting pre-written ads on social media. All right. Now, just to let you know, this isn't a get rich quick scheme or get rich overnight. It's going to take effort on your part as well too. All right, now as soon as you sign up with this system, you'll get a page like this. Okay, it's personally branded to you. Okay, and then how does it work? So you're gonna follow our three simple steps to start making 100% commissions. Right? Step one, you're going to get started. Join one of the levels to get access to your products and your uh, step-by-step digital training. Step two, you're going to post ads on social media where you show exactly where and how to start posting ads on social media to drive tons of traffic to your offer. Okay, step three, of course, get paid. Start collecting 100% daily commissions straight to your account. All right, and now I'm gonna go over a couple things. Now, if you're tired of struggling and feeling stuck and confused, you're a college dropout, you're a stay-at-home mom, or if you're looking for a way to make some extra income for you and your family, and you're ready for your big break, you're tired of your job, or you don't have one at all, and want to have the ability to get paid daily instead of every 2 weeks. It's all up to you, um, for you inside. Okay, it's all set up for you inside. Sorry. Imagine what it'd be like to learn how the same strategies that six-figure earners are applying every day in their business, not having to worry about making ends meet, quitting your job, and give up that rat race and start leading a life you love instead. Okay, so right now I'm going to be going over the three levels. Starter level is $50 and one-time $25 admin fee for the website. Okay, so what you all get for the $50 level, you can only earn $50 on commissions on this level. 30 marketing ads, a bonus image ads. You're gonna get a winning mindset formula, the art of persuasion and influence, 7-day success action plan, six-figure closing script, Facebook marketing strategy, over 30, you're going to get access to over 30 Facebook groups, and then Craigslist marketing as well too. Okay, the elite level is $150, a one-time $25 admin website fee. What products you get with this, you'll only be able to earn on the $150 and the $50 commission level. Get over 100 pre-written ads, winning mindset formula, the art of persuasion and influence, 7-day success action plan. So you're pretty much getting everything uh, the same as the $50 level plan, but you get a little bit more training, like the YouTube mastery course, the Instagram marketing strategy, and how to create your six-figure sales funnel. Okay, and that's the $150 plan. Right, the pro level is the $300 plan. It's a one-time plus the one-time $25 admin website fee. Highly recommended. You get paid on all three levels. Okay, so you get 200 pre-written ads plus 60 bonus image ads. Of course, you get the winning mindset formula and the art of persuasion and influence. Okay, you get a six-figure closing script, 100 Facebook groups. You get Craigslist marketing training, the same on both of the other two levels. Okay, the only difference with this one is you get the 30-day email follow-up series to close your sales on autopilot. Okay, you get TikTok marketing strategy and then get access to our Facebook group and training live chat. as well, and you get discounts on hotels and restaurants. Okay, offer offer them to your team as well. You could offer that as well. Okay, so if you are doing the starter level, you could earn $50 commissions. What if you get 3 sales a day? That's $150. Now, if you're able to get 4 sales a day, that's um, $200. Okay, so you'd probably have to get like 5 or 6 sales to get $300 a day, and that's why I recommend at least coming in at the $150 level. So the only sales you need are 2 sales a day to make that happen. Okay, and now this is the $150 chart. So if you get 1 sale per day, that's $150 per sale, and then weekly income, if you do that the whole week, you get 1,050, and then monthly is $4,200. Okay, now the elite level, the $300 level, daily income, you get 1 sale per day, and then do that weekly, that's $2,100, and then over $8,000 a month, which is doable. All right, now with me, if you decide to join me, you'll get my bonus as well too. You get a free marketing system that I have here with leadsleap, and then you can just when you join my team, I'll show you how to get leads as well too. You could check out my other videos on leadsleap, and I'll show you some of the website you'll get with that. Let me see here, and then you'll get a share code, and then here's one of the websites you'll get. So you don't have to do any of the legwork. I've done most of the work for you. Now, if you are ready to join, go ahead and click the link below. All right. Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe to the channel.